Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ocube. So this tutorial is how I got this beautiful trending GELE. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for always coming back. I love you all so much. You guys are super amazing. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So I formed my plates already and I've laid it on her forehead. So now I'm just going to cross the two aspects of the ashoke together like that. I'll pull the two across each other. Then I'll tell my model to help me hold the aspect of the other aspect of the ashoke that is not long. I divide the ashoke into the ratio 70-30. So the 70% of the ashoke now is what I'm actually holding, and I'm trying to actually lay down more plates, and I'm forming more plates with the 70%. Yeah. So now I'm just trying to make sure my plates are well arranged, and I'm trying to lay them down carefully. Just trying to arrange the plates. Okay, so I am just trying to make sure it's well laid. I'm just also trying to make sure the plates are well arranged. So now that I've gotten to almost the edge of her head, the other aspect of the ashoke, which is the 30% of the ashoke, I'll carry it up and start forming a, what is it called? I'll do like a fan-like thing over there. I'm trying to form a fan in a way, so I'll just be slanting it. But this ashoke is actually not thick, like it's loose. It has lost its quality already, so it's not really like heavy enough to form this slanty thing and it will stand on its own. So that's why I'm just trying to see what I can do over here, but I just hope you guys understand what I'm trying to do here. So now I'll just use a pin to actually secure it with the round part of the ashoke before I take the back to tie or pin it down. Okay, I can't actually tie, so I'll just pin down the ashoke. So now let's go to the back. So this other aspect of the ashoke, I'll carry it and just twist them. Use a pin to secure it firmly so it can be well secured. So this is actually pretty easy. This is the end of this tutorial. If you love it, give the video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next one. So guys, this is how it ended. Hope to see you all in my next one. Bye loves.